is a personal brand? A personal brand is a collective persona of personality, attitude, values, and character. Why is a personal brand important? A personal brand is important to build trust, to build a community, and to be relatable to a segment of audience. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing to my channel for all things related to digital marketing. To build a personal brand, you need to know what is your specialization, what is your competitive advantage, what is your goal, what is your target market, and what is your network worth. So coming to specialization, this means who you are, what you have to offer, and who you are as a person that makes you different from the rest of the market. Frankly speaking, you don't have anything special to offer that is not already in the market. So how do you make something very special, or how do you stand out as a personal brand? What is your approach to your personal brand that makes other people want to work with you or want to buy your product? Coming to step number 2, what is your competitive advantage? What is that you have to offer or provide that your competitors don't at the moment in the market as a personal brand? Is it your skill set? Is it your price range? Is it the efficiency of the product? Or is it the experience that your product or service provides to a particular set of customers? In the end, everything boils down to how your brand warms up to people or their needs. Step number 3, what is your goal? What do you want to achieve from this particular personal brand? The aim and the mission of your business and personal brand should be very clear to your audience and in the content that you produce. Providing value based on the brand's USP is important for people to recognize your brand apart from other competitors in the market as a personal brand. Here, if your goals match the goals of your audience or your vision matches the vision of your audience, it is most likely that you will build a successful personal brand. Step 4 is knowing who your target audience is. Knowing who you want to sell to specifically or who can benefit maximum from your product or service is very important for a personal brand. Targeting everyone, anyone and everyone is a identity of a weak personal brand and will in the end stretch you too thin. You cannot be a one size fits all if you want to be a profitable personal brand in the future. Step 5 is knowing what is your network worth. A personal brand is built on reliable transactional connections. Having quality connections is far more better than having a number of connections that are non-transactional, meaning which does not produce value to your personal brand. Your connections and network should bring in potential customers as well as investors. So this brings us to an end. Hit the like button if you've liked the video. Let me know in the comments if you are going to use any of these 5 steps to build your personal brand. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel for more digital marketing and branding related videos. Let me know in the comments what more you'd like to watch, so I'll make videos accordingly. Bye guys, till next time.